Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This video is going to show you how to create a remote repository on your local Linux file system. This way, you can practice and experiment with commands like git-push, fetch, and so on to your heart's content. You can think of this as practicing GitHub without using GitHub. Let's jump right in. First, we'll create a folder for our upstream repository. This is going to behave like GitHub. We'll correct the permissions. We'll go into that directory and use the git-init command. However, we are going to need to add the bare option. And we can see the command ran successfully. What we did was very similar to creating a blank repository on GitHub. And now we have an upstream remote repository on our local file system with 0 commits. Now we'll go into a folder with 2 subfolders, and this will simulate 2 different users collaborating on the same project, Aaron and Zeke. We'll go into Aaron for now and run a git-clone. We'll go into our repo folder and define 2 local settings for our commits. We can also see origin is defined. And now I'll quickly make a commit. Now the reason we don't see origin anywhere is because we haven't pushed anything back upstream. So origin is still empty. So we'll push our branch to origin. And everything should be synced. And if we make another commit, our local branch is now ahead of origin. And a couple of commands can show this, such as git log and git status. And another git push will fix this. Now we'll go into Zeke's folder and do a git clone. And define his local settings as well. And we can see all of the commits that Aaron pushed to origin. So we'll make our own local commit. And here's our commit that we are going to push back up to origin. And now we'll go back to Aaron's repo and do a git-fetch to refresh our remote branch from origin. And we can see our local branch is actually behind Origin's, which now contains Zeke's commit. But now we can merge, rebase, or whatever our workflow needs. Now our local branch is caught up with origin master. And there you have it. We can now easily practice and experiment with remote branches and repos using 2 different users to easily simulate collaborating on GitHub. Thank you.